Alright, so chapter 4 is going over rules of divisibility. We have 10 of them. Number 1 says, if you multiply an even number by 2, add 1, is your answer even or odd? So any number that we multiply by 2 will result in being even, and then when we add 1, that will make it odd. So this is going to be odd. Alright, number 2, we have 3 parts, A, B, and C, and it wants us to use divisibility test. Can 871 passengers be assigned to 9 flights? So the rule for divisibility involving 9 says if you add up the digits, so 8, 7, and 1, if I add these and that number is divisible by 9, then so is this 871 divisible by 9. So that would give us 16. 16 is not divisible by 9. Okay, or does, I guess 9 does not divide 16 in the terms that you see in the book. 9, they just draw this line and say does not divide 16. Okay, it doesn't go into 16 evenly. So no, this one would not be possible. Okay, cars in the parking lot, 3587. Can it be divided into 11 equal rows? Okay, so I don't think before now I knew of a rule of divisibility with 11. But in this book we're seeing one, and so you got to think about this as position. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So always do that. This is like 10 to the 0 power to the first, second, third, whatever. You're going to add up even numbers, so 0, 2, every other, starting from the first one. This will give us 5 and 7. We're going to add up those, and then we're going to add up the odd, 3 and 8. We're going to subtract these two numbers. We're going to add up the even, 2 and 0, subtract the odds, 1 and 3. If that number is divisible by 11, then so is the whole number. So we have 12 here minus 11 equals 1, and 11 will not divide 1. Okay, so 11 cannot go into 1 at all. So this number is not divisible by 11. And then can the theater charging 6 per person take exactly 1514? Okay, so we want to know basically, is this number divisible by 6? In order to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. Checking divisibility by 2 is just as simple as looking at the ones digit. If it's even, it's divisible by 2, and this one is. Checking 3 is the same rule as 9. You add up the digits, and if it's divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So we need to check divisibility by 3 by adding 1, 5, 1, and 4. So 5, 10, we get 11, and 3 does not divide 11, so it's not divisible by 3. Therefore, it's not divisible by 6. So we're going to say no.